In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open Play Store and install free app called Files by Google. This one. It has to be from Google developer. When your app is ready, launch it, and to set it up, hit continue. Then use gray switcher next to allow access to manage all files. Go back, and to clean your storage, click on those three lines at the top left corner. Then hit clean. Select clean under junk files and clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!